Alright, even though I be forgetting to record sometimes, be trying to get stuff done. But I'm standing on this now. It's not a long block, but it'll do for what I'm doing here. What I'm doing, guys, is sanding like I'm starting to bust through here. So I sand till I see that I'm busting through, then I have to come in and see if this is high, but then all of this around here is low. So I come back in and put one more skim coat of mud over there. Right here I'm starting to bust through, right here, right here, right here, so this is still a little low. But remember in the last video I got that popping out of here, that cannon, that they call it. And I can feel it. It's low right in here. You can feel it, guys. I'm gonna try to feather out these edges here. Alright, so right here, guys, this is kind of like a semi-lip. So when I run my straight edge down here, I can see that I'm on the right track here. So flatten this mud out. Alright, so in here, I've got a little bit of surface rust. So I want to come in with the concrete and metal prep. And then I grind this on down. There we go. So let me show you here with this concrete and metal prep. Put me some gloves on here, guys. So just trying to get this rust off of here. And just kind of clean and treat this at the same time, guys. So, look at that. See, it's cleaning that rust. It's cleaning that rust off of it. And I'm gonna let that sit for a minute. I'm gonna grab some sandpaper. I think I got a piece of sandpaper right here. I did other videos with this, guys. This concrete and metal prep, I mean, it really does the trick, guys. I'm just using 80 grit here. That rust that's coming off is not from here, it's what was on here. Already I did not grab a clean piece of sandpaper. But it's not gonna matter. I don't know if I got enough light in here for you to see that. Let me come on down here. See it cleaning that metal up, and then it's turning all the deeper rust. It's turning it black. So that's good for me. I'm all right with that. So let me come up and finish this last corner here, and now get the rest of this fender body worked out. Then I'll be ready to use some epoxy primer and prime this baby down. So, all right. Alright guys, so now I'm going to put my straight edge on here. And it's really looking good. Wow, it's looking good all up through here, guys. That's looking good. That's beautiful. Only thing, right on this edge, it's a little low. I didn't build that up there, but I gotta look at the other WILDCAT, see if this needs to slope down or do that come up. I'll go to one of my fenders that ain't bent up and I'll see how this edge actually look, but that's beautiful right there. Look, I don't have the shrinking and popping in here no more. I got this. Got this all cleaned up. I gotta clean this up, clean up down here, and sand around here. And then this fender will be ready for prime, guys. So, alright. So I got the fenders in prime. Now I'm gonna come through with the slick sand high build primer. So the metal treatment I use is a RM product, and it's 108 metal treatment. So I've been using it for years. Go back, some of my other videos talk about when I was doing the 66 Riviera build, 66 WILDCAT GS build, me and Buick Bob, and I found some, it was down in like McHenry somewhere like that, and he went down and got it for me since they closed. You know, I was getting off work late those days, so he went down, picked it up for me. But alright guys, so I'm gonna come through now. I'm gonna stir up this slick sand primer and get it on these fenders and stuff, guys. Alright. So alright guys, yeah, I got that fender and prime. I gotta come through and spray some sandable primer on there, but get all the heavy scratches out of there. So I'll probably sand it with this slick sand high build primer, guys. What I found that it sand better at using either 150 or 120, guys. So using 36 grit, which I don't need to use 36 grit on here already. I mean on here. But using 80 grit, I just come to find out that it's better to go on here and hit this with 150 when you sanding on the slick sand. It just seemed to sand better for me. So, you know, guys, all I'm doing is putting a dust coat on here, guys. Alright, so now I got that 70 WILDCAT fender. This is for the convertible, guys. I got that all in prime, so this is actually I gotta sand this probably one more time and prime it one more time. with the high build. Then I go over with the urethane primer. But that's where I did that bottom work on the fender. And right in here is where I had to hammer out and get this front fender really shaped out to where it needed to be. It looks good, guys. Hey, you like these videos, like, share, subscribe. I appreciate you tuning in.